Invisible threats linger all around us. Dust, pollen, bacteria, silently floating through the spaces where we live, work, and heal. But with the power of HEPA filtration, protection begins. As the filter activates, pollutants are captured and clean air is restored. Each layer plays a vital role. The pre-filter traps large particles. The HEPA layer captures microscopic allergens and bacteria. And the activated carbon neutralizes odors and harmful gases. See the difference? Without filtration, contaminants spread freely. With HEPA protection, clean air flows through every breath you take. From busy meeting rooms to open workspaces and reception areas, HEPA filtration ensures a consistent flow of purified air, everywhere it matters. Maintenance is simple. First open the unit, then remove the used filter, and then replace it with a new one. And with built-in reminders, you will never miss a replacement cycle. Designed for performance. Smart sensor for real-time air quality monitoring. Quiet mode for undisturbed environments. Certified efficiency you can trust. Cleaner air, healthier spaces. With HEPA filtration, breathe easy, wherever life takes you.